In this video, I'll quickly show you how to export emails from your Zoho Mail account for backup or local storage. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this helps you. First, log into your Zoho Mail at mailzoho.com and head to the gear icon in the top right corner. Click it and select Settings. Inside Settings, go to Mail Settings and then choose Import/Export. Switch to the Export tab. Here, select the folder you want to export, like Inbox, Sent, or any custom folder. You can also set a date range or leave it blank to export everything. Once ready, click Export. Zoho will process your request and create a zip file containing your emails in EML format. You will get a download link either by email or right in the export section. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Zoho mail. Be sure to save the zip file safely for backup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.